challenging was that?
Very. It was very emotionally challenging for all of us. We have to dive so deeply into our emotions. I had to tap traumas I thought I had locked away before. I had to open up so many parts of myself, of my heart, na could be very, very draining talaga. Since we do it so often. Kaya yan si Direk, he dives with us. Yan yung maganda. Sabay pag time na to prepare for our actors queue, samahan niya kami. He takes us through the process or the journey of our characters. Ito yung daanan ng girls, ganyan. So, lagi namin ginagawa, sama-sama namin ginagawa yun. And when the scene is done, sama-sama din kami para nagpapagpag. Kasi hindi naman siya yung agad-agad ka makakabitaw, especially if it's so real to you. And syempre, that's what we try to give, di ba? Real, raw. Kaya nga, kahit ang hirap, kahit ang sakit, talagang we tap into our own traumas talaga eh. The things na pinagdaanan namin, kung paano kami makaka-relate dun sa character, kung paano namin mabibigay yung emotions na pinagdadaanan ng character. Ang hirap po talaga.
Yeah, it's something na hindi pa nangyayari sa inyo,
Yes.
pero you have to pretend that it really happened already.